everyone, welcome to Lan channel. My topic today is learning English. Rainforest. Rainforests are warm and wet forests. They are in countries near the equator, in Central America, South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. They are homes for millions of animals and plants. The plants here make a lot of the oxygen that people in the world need to live. There are 4 parts in rainforest: emergent, a canopy, an understory, and a forest floor. Emergent. In this part, you can see the tops of very tall trees. They are sometimes 60 meters tall. Many different birds, butterflies, and other insects live here. Canopy. In this part of the forest, there are trees have many leaves. Birds, spiders, tree frogs, monkeys, and snakes live here.
Con vàng này thấy rõ nhất này. Đó, có đen cái đầu con vàng nó đang bò qua kìa. Okay.
Understory. In this part of the forest, it is dark, wet, and cold. There aren't many plants. Why? Because plants need light to live. Snakes, lizards live here. Jaguars like to live in this park too. On the way, I see a snake is trying to tie a lizard. This is a forest floor. There are many insects here. There are many large animals and people live here too. I get to Kính National Park in Đồng Nai province. At night, we take a float to cruise in the dark to watch animals. Unfortunately, we see nothing excepting the dark. It is a true rainforest with 4 parts. Now, let's go check.
Và bắt đầu từ Subsribe thế này. Đây là một cái áo nó ôm lấy cái phần từ đây trở lên thôi, nó như cái áo miếng của ta vậy thôi. Tuy nhiên thì bé nào có thể hiểu được tại sao nó có ai.
It's nice to meet Mr. V. He will guide us to visit the forest. We check 3 kilometers under the canopy. There are things amazing. A variety of trees and animals. This is one of biggest tree in Kính. The giant tree was born 400 years ago. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for your attention. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.